This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
I made with your lordship.
But I have, but only the chief secretary who has been made a party respondent. I've received this brief, my lord, pretty late last evening, my lord.
It was filed yesterday.
I have taken instructions, but my lord, I will rather prefer to come up with a written instruction.
What is the matter?
They will kindly come to impugned order at page 17 and followed by page 19.
Yes,
The
please.
basic question is the jurisdiction of the chief secretary to issue such an order. The
Hmm.
government employees, my lord, are governed by statute.
Hmm.
They have the status. They are not ordinary bound by contract. Kindly come to my lord 14th of June.
Yes.
Here, this is again by the chief secretary.
Yes.
The registration on the Yoga Sangam portal for the International Day of Yoga. Well, pausing here for a moment, Lord, there are very many international days, starting from International Language Day, Women Day, Mother's Day, Human Rights Day. Therefore, this is not an event which can be said to be some
Why did it stop? You should have mentioned Valentine's Day also.
Valentine's Day. I forgot it.
Yes.
Now, the government has now decided to observe. That's their, my lord, foundation of decision is not with me. Therefore, I am not making any further comment on that. But anyway, the question would come: how could the government take such a decision? But
What
here,
exactly is the
he
decision
said the
that
government employees are mandatorily have to participate in this program.
which clause is it?
Will kindly come to paragraph page 18. In view of the foregoing, all departments together with their attached and subordinate officers and the autonomous bodies and undertakings under their administrative control are requested to complete the registration on the portal at the earliest to organize yoga demonstration on the 21st of June 2026 and to ensure the widest possible participation of officers, members of staff and the public at large. And then next page. The 12th International Day of Yoga will be observed on 21st June across the country to promote awareness regarding the importance of yoga. With a little bit digression, in our younger days, we have to learn name of Mr. Vishnu Ghosh, who had made it internationally popular, yoga, and he was invited even in Japan to demonstrate. For this government sponsorship, anyway, that's their own wisdom.
I practiced yoga, my lord, when I was a child in his institution. Though, my lord, the signs are not apparent, my lord, from how I look now.
In this correction, it has been decided that all officers and employees, including permanent, contractual, part-time, daily wage, casual workers, outsourced personnel, and personnel engaged on honorarium basis of the state government, PSUs, autonomous bodies, local bodies, shall observe the occasion by participating in the program on 21st of June from 6:30 a.m. to 7:45 a.m. from their respective offices, place of stay, Red Road and Milan Mala, if nominated. As Milan Mala has not yet been confirmed. All heads of departments, divisional commissioners, district magistrate, other heads of office shall ensure participation of all personnel as detailed above without fail. But I am just challenging the foundational jurisdiction of the chief secretary to issue this circular. But I am governed by statute. Article 309 empowers the government to frame rules. I am governed by rules. No rules will or makes me mandatory that you have to participate all the international.
But then I do not get this mandatory flavor from what
Yes,
read.
that shall ensure.
How can someone mandatorily
Shall ensure participation.
Wait.
Shall ensure participation of all persons as detailed above without fail. That is direction upon all the head of the departments. That means that if I do not participate tomorrow,
No, if nominated, it is mentioned.
if nominated, if not, is the place, Milord Madam.
No. If nominated is, my lord,
The person,
Yes.
if the person is nominated, it is not necessarily that everybody
I
is
have to
nominated.
compulsorily get me registered to the portal. That is the first order.
The departments are accordingly requested to register on the portal and to extend their wholehearted participation. Portal.
So if a lordship,
Where is it mandatory?
this is
flavor?
mandatory that I have to ensure,
All
kindly page
departments
18.
are accordingly
In
requested.
view of the foregoing, all departments by 18. together with the attached and subordinate offices, autonomous bodies, and undertakings under their administrative control, are requested to complete the registration on the portal at the earliest to organize yoga demonstration on 21st June and to ensure widest possible participation of officers.
Widest possible. It doesn't mean the
But what you
mandatory.
Can you clarify this is the mandatory? I'll be happy.
Why? The order that you are impugning
Is mandatory.
is
Because that is page 19 itself.
But let the members
In-
of the petitioner association, let them choose whether to participate or not participate.
But
If, my lord, there are any consequences, they are at liberty to approach the honorable
Oh.
court.
if-
That is
why
so.
go for the
Yeah.
See, this is
My lord,
for
I fail to,
awareness.
my lord, on a
Firstly, this is for awareness.
Yes.
Right?
awareness
And,
in tune with Article 47 of the Constitution. It is not, my lord, it is a program of the United Nations, my lord. It's a program by the United Nations General Council, my lord, which is the world is headed by India. This time it's being headed from Kolkata, Kolkata being the epicenter. It's a message which is being conveyed that the
Thing is-
government is concerned about the health and welfare also, my lord, of the citizens. That the government is a friend.
It is a healthy move.
Yes.
If
Whether healthy or not, that depends on my choice. Government
No,
will-
you cannot remain unhealthy because you are serving the government. The government will never want somebody, its employees to
That-
remain
that is
unhealthy.
that direction of the government under the rules.
আমি সকালবেলা নিয়ে যাবো
What
red road এ
direction?
আমার সাথে।
That the government ensures that health is good. I am governed by, I again say I am not a slave, I am not a
True. Absolutely.
I am governed by statutory rules. Kindly comes to the duties and obligations of state government
We need
employees.
not get so deep.
Let him come with written instruction. What is it?
Yes.
Tomorrow it will appear because, yes,
হ্যাঁ, কালকে
certainly tomorrow.
But how
And-
can someone, my lord, make it mandatory from someone's place of stay, my lord? I can choose to do Shabashon at my place of stay. That's the only ashon I practice.
If it is
now.
not mandatory, can you record it not mandatory?
Yes, yes.
Certainly it was
Certainly,
not
it
mandatory.
is,
I
Come back with instruction, my lord. This, my lord,
Because
on a bare perusal, it is not.
respective offices,
It's a
I have
place
request.
of stay, Red Road, Milan Mela, if
Nominated.
followed by compulsory
No.
portal registration. And then all
No,
heads
no,
of
that's for the departments. That's for the department.
all heads of department, divisional commissioner, district
you
magistrate.
may see many
Yes.
employees who voluntarily will be
Yes.
arrested.
Yes.
My lord will clarify that these
Let
is
them,
not-
let them
Last
come
year,
when
my
he
lord,
has understood what.
Last
the
year,
objective
Andhra
of the
Pradesh
complaint-
created a record of 3 crore
I am not
participants.
going to make any
My lord,
other.
West Bengal is trying to create a new record. That is why this request, my lord.
Don't go in this type of competition. Nobody knows
No,
what is
it's
going
a
to happen.
competition for a healthy India.
It
Yeah.
doesn't
I'll come back
matter.
tomorrow, my lord.
Yes,
Today, my lord,
please.
yes.
Please come.
আপনি যাবেন তো রোববার আমার সাথে
কোথায়?
The
রেড রোডে
আমি তো পাগল নই।
না চল
order
টুপিটা পরা চলবে না শুধু
dated
আমি তো
14th
পাগল
টুপিটা
নই।
পরা চলবে না
June 2026
হ্যাঁ কোথায় একটা গোল থাকে টুপি
কোথায়
চলবে না।
সব কাজ আছে।
under memo number
আপনি
such and such,
হ্যাঁ, দরকার বুঝলি কাজ
followed by order dated
লিখিত একটা
followed by order number 189 by
ওটা তো
2026,
ঢোকা করো তাহলে।
17 and 19 page number, are impugned in the instant writ petition. Stop. The jurisdiction of the chief secretary to issue such order has been questioned. Stop. It has been submitted that such mandatory direction cannot be passed upon the employees of the state government. Stop. Legislation does not provide such a mandate being issued.
আমায় দিয়ে দিন না, দিয়ে দেন না। তো মামলা কম
ঠিক আছে?
তখন মামলা
Stop paragraph. The learned AG intends to revert with written instruction. Stop.
It's very fiery, double age, yag.
Release tomorrow. Is somebody there? Some
Yes.
child? Why?
Apprehend.
Why is the child
Must be
appearing?
some litigant blood.
The personal appearance of the Pradhan. Item number 12.
কালকে
Huh?
হ্যাঁ কালকে নিয়ে চলে আসো।
if not by mistake
কালকে।
a document has been annexed
Hmm.
which was a wrong document but the right document will have brought me supplementary.
আমাকে দিন
Vivek,
আমাকে দিন।
I did it.
take the supplementary. Supplementary.
Oh, a resolution for filing another case has been annexed for filing this case. Litigious association, very lawyer friendly.
With the rights and
রোববার যাবেন কি আপনি আমার সাথে? I am taking senior Mr. ভট্টাচার্য.
তোমার প্রাইম মিনিস্টার ঘাবড়ে যাবে
I am taking senior Mr. ভট্টাচার্য to Red Road on Sunday.
Yes, yes, certainly.
Now,
Because this year's motto of the UN is, my lord, healthy aging with yoga.
You start. Follow your teacher.
now, chalo.